Good morning, this is my shaman oracle reading. I'm very late because, well, we had a funeral on Wednesday. Someone died in my sister's family. And so the whole schedule was a bit out of wacko. And I'm running late because of it. And I also got a terrible cold. So please excuse my voice today. I'm finishing up my weekly reading, Shaman Oracle reading for this week today. Reading for Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, and Pisces. And this reading here is for Capricorn. Welcome, Capricorn. The first card for you is the Nature's Signs. And the nature's science is about telling you to be receptive to the subtle messages from nature as you go about your day. Nature talks to us continually, so we need only open our hearts and our minds. The fairies of love, they are leaving hints and clues for us in nature. It is one of the many creative ways in which the initiate communication takes place. And for example, the fairies often leave some feathers or release floating dandelion seeds to let us know that they are nearby. The appearance of a friendly bird, such as a robin, is another message from the fairies that they are close by. Fairies and other creatures, they often work together as they are all in harmony with the earth, whose wisdom can come in many forms. So just allow yourself to be receptive and use your intuition to decipher any signs that you might see. You could leave your own sign for the fairies next time when you are out in nature, letting them know that you wish to connect with them. So the fairies will welcome everything you do. When you leave things outside for the fairies, for instance, make sure they are natural things and biodegradable, and that they do not use any screws or nails. If possible, sit next to a flowing stream of water and visualize your cares being resolved and any concerns flowing away. Alternatively, imagine your hopes and your wishes flowing towards you, looking out for any significant signs from nature as you do so. The fairies, they will pick up on your intentions and help to manifest them. So if you do not have access to a stream of water, it can be just as effective to visualize any such thing. Next card is the bear spirit. And the bear spirit is about healing. You can sense the presence of the bear even before you see him. You turn slowly and look deep into the bear's eyes as a long lineage of healers, invisible yet real. They step out from beyond the trees and surround you both. When you reach out and you touch his thick fur, you feel healing energy instantly searching through you. So this card will appear to let you know that healing on all levels is occurring and it can come in many forms. So be ready and accept it. Know as well that you are a healing force for others. You may not even be aware that you are a conduit for healing energy, but when others thank you, simply say you are welcome, even if you do not know how it happened. In many native traditions, the bear spirit is thought to be aligned with us humans, as the bear can walk upright like a human being. He represents the healer and also good medicine. He also bestows healing powers to those who are worthy. You indeed are worthy. So the bear spirit energy can also represent grounding, strength, and confidence. It activates a stable foundation to face whatever challenges appear in your life. The spirit of the bear says to you, you are a healer and a channel for the life force of the universe. You are strong and grounded. Healing is unfolding and or a situation is being resolved. So have faith that all is well. The divine feminine card that came out is Parvati. She's the goddess of devotion. And she says, I am a love that does not leave. When I commit to love, my soul evolves. So who is she? Parvati embodies the divine strength of devotion. She is the mountain that love becomes when we devote ourselves to another human being and to our own soul. So Parvati is the Hindu goddess of fertility, of love and devotion, and of divine strength and power. She is the gentle, nurturing aspect of Shakti or feminine energy. She is a part of the Tridevi or Trinity of powerful Hindu goddesses, together with Lakshmi and Saraswati. Parvati's name means she of the mountain. Her icons and depictions, they date back to 400 BCE. She is Shiva's wife and holds his trident, and she is the mother of Ganesha or Ganesh, the Hindu god, the elephant head god who removes all the obstacles. Shiva lives with Parvati in her house on Mount Kailash. Their favorite pastime is discussing Hindu theology. Traditionally in India, a woman goes to live with her husband's family. So this reversal of Parvati's life reveals Parvati's priority and power. By living on Mount Kailash, Shiva becomes a part of Parvati's lineage. She is the bond that connects all human beings, a bond of love that helps our souls evolve. When the card comes up in your reading, then what is soft and gentle and nurturing like water can be far more powerful than what is inflexible and fierce. So the energy of this mountain goddess is about the strength we can give and receive when we devote ourselves to the healthy bonds of love. Parvati is about the divine feminine potency of being a calm, benevolent presence, especially when something seems to threaten a deeply meaningful relationship. Transformation with this goddess calls for a softening. When a situation is hard, even painful, then Parvati is suggesting that you allow your fist to unfold, open and release what is clenched in fear or in stress. And remember that your love is a mountain that cannot be moved, and that this bond between you is holy. No human hands or words can ever break it. So the answer of what is next or highest for you can be found through the subtler act of simply abiding, not reacting, not running, not hiding. A deep reservoir of power can surge up from within us when we choose to remain present. So letting devotion inhabit us in moments when our ego has typically fled infuses us with the capacity to transform all of our relationships. Devotion is not attachment, it is letting go of the illusion that you and this lover, this friend, this child or family member, this soul within you can ever really be separated from you. Devotion brings us home to the point and the purpose of every relationship, namely love. A love that can never leave and that, like a mountain, can never be moved. A love that evolves the soul. So ask this soul voice meditation, what am I most devoted to in this moment? And say this intention, I am a love that does not leave. When I commit to love, my soul evolves. Next card is the door to value. It is about new beginnings in finance or career. This card shows a door with a gold coin on it, opening to a place that is filled with light and bright potential. Money, coins, and jewels, they fly toward you through the open door, and so revealing a golden city beyond. All of this points to the potential for exciting new beginnings or expansions where work or money are concerned. Perhaps a new opportunity is totally unexpected, or perhaps it is something you have been working toward for quite a while. And either way, keep your eyes open for this new beginning to appear in your life. Know that anything you value may be open to you now. So remain conscious and creative and get ready to step through this door. Say this affirmation: my life is opening to endless possibilities of prosperity. The river of abundance flows freely through my door, bringing me unlimited wealth. The next card is the Treasure Island. And it is about the law of attraction, bringing dreams into fruition, the results of positive thinking made manifest, abundance appearing as if from nowhere, and financial gains and the sharing of good fortune. The oracle's message is that you have worked hard and acted upon your unwavering belief in abundance, and suddenly, in the midst of it all, you hit the jackpot. You have uncovered the map to a buried treasure and tapped the unlimited potential within you. What you must hone now is your ability to recognize when X marks the spot, because some of these golden opportunities may be obvious, but others may not be so readily apparent. So trust your intuition to light your way now as you enter this truly prosperous phase where all the long and hard work navigating your inner life is now paying off externally. In all aspects of your life at this time, you have good fortune. So do not forget to enjoy it and share it with others, as a treasure shared will multiply like magic. There is a relationship message. Your relationship is a treasure, providing even more than you need, but you may not see that right now. No matter how long you have been together, you and your partner are always discovering hidden gems about yourself and about each other. Now is a time of discovery. It is as if everything is in sync and everything is new again. Romance blooms and love is in the air. You can be assured that this partnership will bring you great gifts and valuable lessons. So keep your heart open. The message of this card is to celebrate love and what it teaches you. There is a prosperity message at this time. You can be confident that success is yours. Your ideas, they are all hitting the mark, and you are in a true manifestation period when you will see evidence of the seeds of prosperity that you planted in the past. The appearance of this card in a reading indicates that your dreams and your aspirations align with concrete signs of prosperity in the world of form. This is a very auspicious and fortunate time for business. Creative projects, they will flourish as inspiration strikes. So share your wealth with others as well. Generosity and gratitude, they should lead you now. And there is also a protection message, poverty consciousness, and a sense of being not enough. They can cast a shadow on your pathway. These ideas and core beliefs, they come with a high cost. Do you really want to proclaim yourself a victim of disappointment and failed expectations? Are you avoiding success because you will grow so tall that others will want to cut you down? Or is it possible that you are caught in a fear that you will lose what you have acquired, so you hold on so tight that you miss the opportunities to expand? You are challenged to change the way you see the world and move from a perception of limitations to a perception of abundance. So take a risk, for you have nothing to lose except your confinement in a prison of your own making. Open the door and find the abundance waiting for you to be claimed. And the wild unknown animal spirit card that came out for you is the buffalo, and it is Earth's energy. The buffalo is grounded yet heavenly, practical yet spiritual. The hooves of this mighty buffalo are grounded in the earth, yet its heart and mind rise toward heaven. The buffalo sees challenge, hardships, or a bump in the road as an opportunity for upliftment. Therefore, the buffalo does not fear death, illness, or misfortune. It is gentle, and the eyes look to the road ahead, trusting every turn. May we all experience this elusive yet life-changing bliss from time to time. And may we all allow this card to remind us that life is a precious gift. When the card is in balance, you are trusting and you have a pure presence. When out of balance, you might be restless and you might lack some gratitude. And to bring into balance both of them, you need some prayers and you need bhakti. That was the reading for Capricorn. I do thank you for listening, Capricorn. Wishing you a most joyous weekend. Take care and goodbye.